Hey guys, welcome to my baking channel. Today, we will be making Classic Puto. Puto is a Filipino steamed cake which is a very popular snack in the Philippines. It's traditionally made from rice, but today I'm going to make the classic cake version, which only requires a few basic ingredients. So let's get baking! For this recipe, we will be needing the following ingredients. You can find the exact measurements in the description box below. In a large mixing bowl, sift in the 330 grams of all-purpose flour, 250 grams of sugar, and 2 tablespoons of baking powder, and set this aside. In a medium mixing bowl, add in the 2 eggs, 30 grams of melted butter, 120 milliliters of milk, 360 milliliters of water, and 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Mix everything together until well combined by just using a wire whisk. Now we can pour the egg mixture into the flour mixture. Mix this until your mixture turns smooth and is lump-free. At this point, you can start to add food coloring or even different kind of flavorings, but I'm just going to make plain puto today. I'm going to cover the puto mixture with plastic wrap and let this rest for about 30 minutes. We can already start to fill the steamer with water and bring this to a boil. Now I'm going to start to grease my puto molds. I'm using the number 308 molds, which I think are the large ones. Just lightly grease them with butter or oil, just like so. So my puto mixture has rested for about 30 minutes. Make sure to gently stir the mixture once more before pouring into the greased molds. I'm going to fill my puto molds by using a measuring cup, simply like this. I find that a 1/4 cup of the mixture is just the right amount to get these nice large puto. I guess you can just experiment and figure out for yourself how large exactly you want your puto to be. As you can see, my water has started to boil. Make sure that you turn down the heat to medium-low or else your puto will rise unevenly. Place your puto in the steamer and steam this for about 10 minutes or until a toothpick inserted in the center comes out clean. Make sure to cover the lid of your steamer with a kitchen towel to prevent water from dripping on your puto. My puto are now done. I steamed mine for 10 minutes. I'm now going to place my cheese slices on top of my puto. I'm using cheddar cheese, but you can use whatever cheese you like. Cover your puto once more and steam them for another 1 to 2 minutes. Once the cheese has melted, turn off the heat and remove your puto from the steamer to let them cool down. So this is my version of classic puto. I've already transferred them onto a serving plate. I must say, they turned out really great. They're so soft and fluffy, and of course, very yummy. I'm pretty sure that your family and friends are going to love them. I hope you enjoyed my video today. Make sure to subscribe to my channel for more yummy recipes. Take care and see you next time. Bye!